Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut Popin Cookin. Start by preparing your workspace and gathering all the necessary components from your Popin Cookin kit. You'll need the various powder packets, the molds, and a small amount of water. It's always a good idea to quickly review the included instructions to familiarize yourself with the steps. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience as you embark on creating your miniature donuts. We'll cover the precise measurement and mixing techniques next. Now let's create the donut dough. Take the largest powder packet, usually labeled for the donut base, and empty it into the main mixing tray. Using the provided measuring spoon, add exactly 1 level spoonful of water. Mix this vigorously with the small stirring tool until a cohesive dough ball forms. Then, gently knead the dough for about 30 seconds to achieve a smooth, uniform texture, ready for shaping. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those adorable donuts. Take small, pea-sized portions of dough and press them firmly into the donut molds. Use the pointed tool to carefully create the center hole, giving them that classic donut look. Next, mix the frosting and sprinkle powders with a few drops of water in their separate trays. Finally, unleash your creativity by dipping and decorating your miniature treats with the vibrant frostings and colorful sprinkles. After decorating, let your miniature donuts sit for just a few minutes to allow the frosting to set properly. Once they've firmed up, carefully transfer them to the small display tray included in your kit. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and the vibrant, delicious-looking treats you've crafted. These tiny delights are now ready to be enjoyed. Whether you share them or savor them all yourself, have fun with your Popin Cookin creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.